In this video we are going to talk about how to calibrate the camera if the calibration parameters cannot be measured or they are not already known by the user or by the camera itself. To do this, we are going to make use of sketch-based calibration, which means calibration estimation via sketching lines or angles in the scene. Access the camera configuration, expand the camera menu, select the positioning section, click on the sketch button, and the sketch menu is going to appear. In the sketch calibration menu, the already known values, the ones determined by the camera internal sensors, are filled in. In this case, the camera tilt and roll angles. By clicking the refresh button, the values are going to be re-imported from the device. We are going to input the height value manually. The camera installation height is 7 meters. In this case, the unknown value that needs to be estimated is the focal length. Check the Calculate box to do so. The Calculate checkbox determines which values are fixed by the user and which are to be estimated. For the values that are fixed, the Calculate checkbox is not selected. For the ones that are to be estimated by the calibration elements, the Calculate box is checked. For the values that are still unknown, we are going to use the calibration elements to calculate them. A vertical line corresponds to a line that is perpendicular to the ground plane. A line on the ground corresponds to a line that is on the ground plane. The angle on the ground represents an angle lying on the horizontal ground plane. Click on the vertical line button. The vertical line is going to appear inside the image. In our case, the value measured on site is the height of the emergency door. Make sure that you start drawing the lines from the ground. Insert the measure value of the calibration element. In our case, is 2.4 meters. Click on the ground line button. The ground line is going to appear inside the image. In our case, the value measured on site is the width of the merchandise door. It is mandatory for the ground lines to be drawn on the ground. Insert the measure value of the calibration element. In this specific case is 4.5 meters. Click on the angle button and the angle is going to appear inside the image. Draw an angle on the ground plane and enter its value. In this case, the yellow marking on the floor. Please make sure that the angles are drawn on the ground. The number of the calibration elements that need to be drawn should be one more than the number of the unknown values. As you can see, the value of the focal length has been updated. Click OK, click Set, and the calibration is ready. Learn more about our products by accessing our Bosch Security and Safety Academy at www.boschsecurity.com.